Welcome to lecture 7. I will talk about OpenMP and Rust. OpenMP is a very good way to parallelize a large source code base if it contains lots of loops, and some of them can be run in parallel. What you do is to profile your program and see which loops take the most of the time, and then you write simple commands just before the loop which tell the compiler that it can run that loop in parallel. It's not only for loops. And that's much more convenient than rewriting millions of lines of code in a new and parallel language. Sometimes OpenMP is not sufficient and you need, you can get better performance by doing more detailed orchestration of threads. And then Java, C++, or some other language may be preferable. Next, I will talk about Rust, which is a relatively new programming language, and one of the goals with it is to avoid some bugs related to pointers and what the pointers point at. The idea is that each object has an owner. And if you make an assignment, copy one pointer to another variable, then that object is moved to the other pointer. And the old pointer cannot use the object any longer. Using this, you can avoid many problems. And it is actually, you can expect that once your compiler accepts your program, the Rust compiler is what enforces these rules. Once the Rust compiler accepts your program, I mean the preflow push program, you can actually expect it to work correctly at once, even the parallel version.